Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve this problem, that is square root 32 multiplied by 8 power 3 upon 2 power 10. So first of all, we write square root 32 is square root 4 into 8 multiplied by, we write 8 is 2 power 3 whole power 3 upon 2 power 10. So it's equals to square root, we write square root 4 is 2 multiplied by square root 8 multiplied by, we write 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9 upon 2 power 10. So now this equals to 2 power 1 and 2 power 9, it's equals to 2 power 10 multiplied by square root 8 upon 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 and 2 power 10 is cancelled. So square root 8 is our answer. We write square root 8 is square root 2 multiplied by 4. So now square root 4 is equals to 2 and square root 2 square root 2. This is our answer.